So through the BLACKBOX either extension or IDE, what you have now access to also is the chips directly available.
Do you have Doritos?
You can launch, depending on the availability, we'll list the available GPUs that you can get access to. You have 8 times A100, you have 8 times H100s. You can open as many as you want of those. Whenever they're available, the other single GPUs will be also available as well, depending on the demand. But as far as like those, you can have as many as you want, like, and as there are available.
And by the way, it's how much is it per hour?
14.
It's cheaper than regular chips.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if someone is eating like 1 Doritos per hour.
Yeah.
How much is he paying?
If he's eating 8, also here he has 8 times.
Yeah, if he's paid even eating 8 per
times.
hour,
yeah,
it's gonna be even more expensive than Nvidia chips. You see, so the beauty of it is that you get the chance to get chips cheaper than chips.
Cheaper than chips, that's right. Yeah, yeah.
You see?
That's right. So
that's the key point here.
Yeah, and it's directly chips in the IDE.
Yeah.
So you can have the agent taking care of some tasks and doing them directly on the GPU. So you can launch it, and it will be entirely managed over here. And yeah, we'll be showing some examples of the agent also working on the GPU directly.